Since 2010, City of Eugene Park staff and volunteers have worked side by side at the city's native plant nursery to grow native plants and seeds that support park restoration projects in a sustainable way. We have over 78 species that we collect seed from and grow thousands of trees and shrubs for planting projects across the park. The nursery has become a cornerstone of local restoration work, fostering biodiversity, supporting the recovery of threatened species, and helping to offset the impacts of urban development and climate change. None of this would be possible without the dedication of volunteers who contribute their time and passion to restoring and strengthening Eugene's natural areas.
People here are great. The work here is fun and relaxing, and you get outdoors and you get to get dirty and sweaty, and it's really fun. And the thing I like the best about this place is how they respect their volunteers.
One of the things that I love about the Native Plant Nursery is all of the different kinds of people that it attracts, and to know that what we do besides being fun, it really matters.
I feel really proud that our community supports such a program. I feel really proud to be a part of it. I also cannot do it without the dedication of the volunteers that come weekly. We are honored that ORPA has recognized this collective effort by awarding the Native Plant Nursery the Environmental Leadership Award, celebrating its vital role in caring for Eugene's parks and natural areas.